6 o'clock in the morning on Wednesday. It's hazy out. We have wildfires in Athena or somewhere. That's about 30 miles away. Weird part about all these fires is that it just looks like it's kind of a smog haze, but there's no smell to it, which is weird. Maybe it's so far away. All right. Update on the bike. Since I have to go to work when I get back, I'm hopefully going to be able to work on this. For some reason, after I get back from my clients, I am so mentally tired. I don't know why. Maybe it's probably just my EPS. Of course, there's a lot of guys out there, Grant, Frankie, they know exactly what I'm talking about. If you got EPS, it's something you live with. You're born with it, and I'll let you know, it's a enormous penis syndrome.